In this video, I am going to explain about one of the networking device, that is repeater. I will explain repeater with the help of an example. All of you see the first part of the screen. Here, person A wants to say something to person B. But here, person A is very far from person B. Then obviously, person B cannot understand what is person A trying to say, because person A voice is audible to only some extent. Beyond that distance, no one can hear person A voice clearly, because when distance increases, then because of some properties of the space, sound of words will be decreased. Now all of you see the second part of the screen. Here person B can understand what is person A trying to say, because here in between person A and B there are two persons C and D. Here C listen to A and she will pass the same message to D. Now D pass the same message to B. In the similar way, let us assume that there is a LAN, that is local area network, in a school building. Here LAN or local area network is a computer network that covers small area such as school, office, laboratory, university, etc. Now suppose if you use 10 base 5 cable to connect systems in the school. Here 10 means 10 megabits per second, that is speed, and 5 means 500 meters, that is distance. Here this cable can send signals maximum up to 500 meters only, because we know that when a signal is transmitted via a channel, it gets attenuated, that is getting weak depending upon the nature of the channel. Now the systems can be connected to the LAN up to 500 meters. We cannot extend that LAN beyond 500 meters. Now let us assume that you expanded your school building. Now in the second building also you have used the same cable, that is 10 base 5 cable, and the systems can be connected to the LAN 2 up to 500 meters. You cannot extend LAN 2 beyond 500 meters. Now there is no connection between those two LANs, because those two LANs can cover up to 500 meters only. Now to connect to those two LANs we use repeaters. A repeater is an electronic device. Its job is to receive the signal before the signal becomes too weak, and it will regenerate the original signal. All of you see the first diagram on the screen. Here the signal is coming from left side. Here the repeater receives the corrupted signal and it will regenerate the original signal. Now see the second diagram on the screen. Here the signal is coming from the left side and the repeater receives the signal and it will regenerate the original signal. Now here we use repeater to connect these two LANs like this. Here these two LANs form a single network. Now here the repeater take the signal from LAN 1 or LAN 2 and it will regenerate the original signal. So now the signal can travel through another LAN. That is, repeaters are used to extend the length of the LAN. Now we will see some points about repeater. Repeater operates only on the physical layer of the OSI model, because we use repeater to connect same networks. A repeater allows us to extend only the physical length of the network. That is, repeaters are used to connect two LANs to form a large single LAN. It does not change the functionality of the network in any way. The repeater cannot do intelligent routing. That is, it cannot restrict a frame to to travel only to the intended receiver. The frame can travel to all the systems in the network. That is, for example, if station A sends a frame to station B, all the stations including C and D will receive the frame. This is about repeater. This is one of the networking device.